Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Topstep to Quantower. Alright, so let's begin. The setup process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step from creating your account to connecting the trading platform. To begin, open the Topstep website in your preferred web browser. If you don't already have an account, click the option to sign up and complete the registration process. After signing in, you'll be taken to your Topstep dashboard. From your dashboard, start a new trading combine by selecting the evaluation account that fits your trading preferences. Choose the account type you want, such as the standard plan or the no activation fee option if it's available. After selecting your preferred account, continue with the checkout process, review the agreement, accept the required terms, enter your billing information, and complete the payment. Once your account has been created, review and accept the Topstep pledge or any additional agreements required before you begin trading. After completing those steps, open a new browser tab and visit the official Quantower website. Download the latest version of Quantower and install it on your computer. You can download the platform directly without creating a separate Quantower account. After installing Quantower, launch the platform. Open the connections menu from the top toolbar and choose the option to add or manage connections. In the search field, look for the Topstep Rhythmic connection and select it from the available list. Next, enter the username and password associated with your Topstep trading account. You'll also need to select the server provided by Topstep for your account. Choose the server that matches the information you received during account setup. Once everything has been entered correctly, click Connect. If the connection is successful, Quantower will display a confirmation message indicating that your Topstep account has been connected successfully, and that's it. This is how you can connect Topstep to Quantower. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.